guy. Just gotta be careful not to cut the cable. I just try to get that as flush as possible. Okay, untwisting. You know, all these colors memorized. Now I just trim it a little bit, make them even. Alright, so there we go. Everyone has different ways. This is the way I'm comfortable doing it. Usually right around here. Keep this in the back. Sorry if I'm moving around too much.
That's okay.
Okay. Keep that in the back usually. And then this one I just get on here. Push. Now you make sure they're all flush to the top. All the colors. You can see the head of the tops of the wires on right there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now this one here is just the teeth, like that's going to push the pins down. There, see? It doesn't crunch anything else. Other ones have a little thing here, the Cat 5, but the Cat 6, you just want that. There. Brought them all flush right there. So it doesn't crunch anything here. This piece here now will get the ground wire. Push. Then I gotta use these just to get it started a little bit. And then the different part. This part here will crunch this. We'll make that tight to the wire. Just do a little like that. There. Now it's tight. A little wire. You could fold it, or you could cut it short, but sometimes I like to just fold it like that. If you really want to get crazy, you could even do soldering too, but that's on there so tight. That's really good. And the soldering, the only problem with that, when you heat it, you can melt the plastic, so that's something you gotta be careful. You need to slide the boot right up, and that's it.
All right, excellent. Thank you.
You're welcome.